Hey kids and parents, want a fun and safe place to go after school? Try The Block, Canton's after-school program for kids ages 11 through 17. Located in the Canton Administration Building on the third floor, this state-of-the-art center provides after-school programs that includes games, videos, arts and crafts, a computer lab, a quiet study room, a lounging area, and a cafeteria, and much, much more. Fall session runs from September 2nd through January 30th, while the winter session is from February 2nd through June 11th. The block is open Monday through Thursday from 2:30 p.m. till 8:30 p.m. and Fridays from 2:30 p.m. till 10:30 p.m. Residential fee is $225 per session, and non-resident fee is $282 per session. There's a shuttle service from school daily, and a payment plan option is available. So don't wait. Experience a youth program unlike any other that offers a safe, supervised, social setting for your team. For more information, visit cantonfund.org or call 734-398-5570.